So I'm just going to kind of pretty up these wires a little bit. I'm going to get all the top three on this side kind of grouped together, and the bottom three grouped together as well. So they're all going to go hand in hand into a power supply, but it's a little bit chaotic. So I'll just zip tie these together a little lightly, just so it's kind of nice and easy to maneuver these around. Then you have them all grouped up for wiring into your power supply, because you want to kind of keep them grouped for your power supply, or at least buckled together. At least that's what I've seen recommended by multiple people, so I'm kind of going with it as well. I'm not adding in the USB cables just because those go to the motherboard. They go to two separate places. Sorry, that was loud. Going through my tool drawer to get my snips. Alright. At least that looks a little bit better. A little easier to deal with. And I kept them loose so you can always play as you need. Alright, let's do the same to the other side. A little bit of wire management never hurts. Yeah, and I believe you want to group your power cables together in your power supply for syncing and sourcing purposes. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that makes a lot of sense. So you want them to sync and source close to each other. Alright, on to the next one.